Hi everyone, in this video we're going to walk through how powerful filters and sort options can be for your shoppers and your business. Filters and sort options are displayed on the search results and category pages of your site and provide shoppers with a range of attributes to narrow down products with. We'll start with a quick overview on the value, what you can expect in terms of functionality, and then we'll jump into the back end of the Searchspring platform and close things out with a few best practice example use cases. At Searchspring, we talk to e-com teams every day who tell us they're spinning their wheels trying to get their site to work the way they want it to. Filters and sort options are just a few of the many superpowers you gain with Searchspring that give you complete control over showing the right product to the right shopper at the right time. This is accomplished through providing shoppers with the ability to quickly narrow down a set of products to the exact version they're looking for. The result? Creating a more relevant experience for your shoppers and driving more success in your business. Filters and sort options can be deeply customized through using product catalog data, the power of relevance, and determining the positioning to be dynamic or fixed. Most importantly, filters and sort options are driven by an interface that's easy to understand, including drag and drop controls, so you can create the shopping experience that you want without having to have a technical background or needing help from developers. Let's go ahead and jump into the Searchspring platform to show you exactly what filters and sort options look like in action. All right, so we're on the dashboard of the Searchspring Management Console after logging in. Let's go ahead and create some filters and sort options within the search customization section for the fashion store that we're using in this example. Our first goal is to create a pin filter for size to ensure that shoppers have the ability to quickly narrow down products that will fit them. Pin filters allow you to set the position of a filter whenever there's at least one product available in the search results that a shopper is viewing. Accomplishing this goal is as simple as creating a filter, also commonly known as a facet, and then choosing how we'd prefer for the values within that filter to be sorted. This would be followed by determining whether we'd like there to be a limit on the number of values shown within the filter, more granular filtering capabilities with and/or filtering, the display type, and finally the filter type, which is where we set this as being pinned. And we can also set whether we'd like the filter to be collapsed by default for shoppers as well. Once this filter is pinned, it can easily be adjusted into a different position. Our second goal is to add a smart sorted filter for season to ensure that shoppers have the ability to quickly narrow down products by the seasons that they're shopping for. Smart sorted filters are dynamically ordered amongst other filters by either product count or alphabetical in ascending or descending order. Accomplishing this second goal is as simple as creating another filter, going through the same process as the pin filter of setting the filter preferences, and instead of choosing pin for the filter type, choosing smart order instead. Then we'll want to select our preferred dynamic sorting order, which for this example, we'll choose product count, so filters with the highest number of products are shown at the top. We'll go ahead and save our filters so they take effect and hop over to setting up our sort options. Our third goal is to add a sort option for best sellers to ensure that shoppers have the ability to sort products so that the best selling items on search results or category pages appear at the top. Accomplishing this third goal is as simple as creating a sort option, choosing the total sold value, and then setting the sort order to descending. For our fashion store in this example, best selling products is determined by the total sold value. But these values used within sort options will vary based on your store's product catalog data. Once this sort order is created, it can be easily adjusted into a different position. With these new filters and sort options created, let's jump over to the search preview tool to highlight how these additions will be reflected in search results and category pages. As you can see, when we arrive on the search preview tool, both the size and season filters are shown in addition to the best sellers sort option. And if you enter a search such as dress, you'll see that these filters and sort options are still present. What you just saw with how filters and sort options work within the Searchspring platform and how they can enable your shoppers to discover the right products and your business to achieve its goals is a huge contributor as to why we have a 4.9 out of 5-star average rating on G2. One of our most resounding areas of feedback outside of our incredible customer success and support teams is that Searchspring is easy to use on the back end and delivers a better experience for shoppers on the front end. Before we close things out, let's cover some examples of how you can use filters and sort options based on best practices we've identified through working with thousands of e-tailers at Searchspring. If you are a company that has educational products, you can create a filter that lets shoppers narrow down the products by the grade level which they're related to. If you are a company that sells curtains, you can pin a filter for length to the top of the filters. And if you have a user-generated content program, you can create a sort option for the star rating of products. If you watched up to this point, congratulations, because you're now in an even better position for delivering your shoppers with the experience they expect and your business with the results you want. Please feel free to get in touch with the Searchspring team with any questions, either by reaching out to your dedicated customer success manager or by going to searchspring.com/contact. Thanks for watching.